Moving on to the safety pillar. Another notable new feature in Geotab is called the Safety Center. The Safety Center dashboard displays an overall safety score and helps you to understand how your driver's safety compares to other drivers across other fleets reporting to the Geotab platform. The Risk Management Report is a report that includes many safety parameters, such as speed bands, length of stops, and up to 6 exception rules based on the choices that you make. There are also some organizational choices that you can make in the options window as well. Let's add some exception rules. Hard acceleration, braking, cornering, idling, and possible collision. We can create sub-periods within this report. And when I apply changes, you'll see that we have total distances, durations, the number of times specific incidents have occurred. We can pull this information into an Excel report and further manipulate that information to get down to very specific information that we may be looking for. This is how the driver safety scorecard available in the marketplace was created. It calculates a safety score based on weighted events per 100 miles, allowing you to determine what is most important to critique and apply demerits to these events fairly based on the number of miles driven. Log data and collisions is an area that will mostly be used by our technical staff. This information is much more detailed than anything you would probably be able to use on a day-to-day basis. But if an event occurs that we need to look for something very specific, it is available to us. The speed profile is a very interesting report. Let's look at one particular vehicle just for today. We can see there have been 2 driving events. We can zoom in and see very clearly what the driving speeds were. And we can see the posted speed limit measured against the speed that was driven. Estimated speed limits are displayed on the graph as a yellow line. Posted speed limits that are in the map layers and are verified are shown as a red line. Using this graph when speaking to drivers about their speed can be very effective.